and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Valhalla plugin in QGIS to calculate routes and run basic network analysis. It's a powerful tool that lets you work with real road data right inside QGIS. Great for things like planning routes, analyzing travel times, or just exploring how routing engines work. We'll go through installing the plugin, setting up the connection, and creating a simple route to get you started. Let's jump in. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at pedestrian distance and the time it takes from one point to another. We'll be using the Valhalla plugin. So we'll go ahead and install that plugin first. So you go to Plugins, Manage and Install Plugin, and in the search bar, search up Valhalla. Once you've done that, you'll install that plugin. I've already done that, so we'll move on from there. When you've installed it, the Valhalla icon will show up over here. So we'll go to Browser and scroll down to XYZ, and we'll click on OpenStreetMap and drag that into the Layers tab. The map will show up here, and we'll zoom into the area where you want to focus that pedestrian map on. In my case, it's Melbourne, around Port Melbourne area. So then we'll click on the Valhalla icon. The method will be set at isochrone, and we'll go with pedestrian, and the mode will be fastest. We'll then click on method configuration, and the minutes will be 4, 6, 8, and 10. Those are the distances for each pedshed cycle. Once you've done that, click on the green plus button and click on the points where you want to create that map. I'll be looking at parks, so I'll click on the green spaces. Once you've done that, click on the Valhalla icon again, and you'll see that those points show up over here. So we'll apply. Give that a minute to load. You can see that the map has started to create itself. Beautiful. I've accidentally done two, so I'll just remove one. So now that you've got your map here, we'll double click on the isochrone pedestrian in the Layers tab, and you can change the color of it and the opacity. So click on the colors. You can play around with the kind of color you want and the opacity over here. Once you've done that and you're happy with what you've chosen, click OK, apply, and OK. And there you can see that the pedestrian map has been completed.